Are you currently having problems with network error on your Binance app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix this problem. So what I did firstly was that I closed my Binance app and instead I went into my settings app, and as you can see I'm currently on my settings app right here. Then in here I just scrolled down and I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, as you can see. I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner in here. I search for Binance, and as you can see I have Binance US, but it doesn't matter if you have the if you're not in the US and you have the other Binance app, you're just going to select that other Binance app. Obviously it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide. It doesn't matter if it's Binance US or Binance worldwide basically. So you're going to click on upload app in here, and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds in here and click on the blue button here again. Now just wait for your Binance app to completely update to the latest version. And after that, actually this fixed it for me. This little trick fixed it for me. But if it's not working for you for some reason, one thing you can also do, this is like a trick that I use sometimes. You can do like this: swipe on your phone. Just wait, by the way, don't do it yet. Swipe on your phone, just watch it until the end and then do it, because if you do it now you're going to basically not be able to watch this video. So just click on the airplane mode and then quickly disable it afterwards, and then try again, because now if you're using a Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's going to give you like a little bit better signal than before, and then you can go back into your Binance app and try again. This little trick maybe can also fix it for you, just so you know, but hopefully this video will be able to fix this problem.